So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a LED chaser circuit with the help of this breadboard. LED chaser circuit is a circuit in which LEDs go one after another, like you see in decoration lights. So for this project, first I took a mini breadboard with 400 pin points which have labeled numbers, letters and marked negative and positive rails, which is good for hobbyists and who are beginners. For this circuit, first take this NE555 timer IC. Here you should place this IC onto the breadboard with the notch. You can see here the small gap facing to the left. Then take this wire. This wire is called as jumper wire or breadboard connecting wire. If it is named as jumper wire, then it should be male to male. Here connect the pin 1 of the IC to the negative rail. You can see the pin numbers on the screen. Now take another wire and connect pin 8 to the positive rail. Now place another wire between pin 6 and pin 2 and another one between pin 4 and 8. Now take a 1 microfarad capacitor. Here I have taken 100 microfarad capacitor because I want to do a experimental study. Now connect this capacitor to pin 1 and pin 2 of the 555 timer. Here the longer lead is the positive terminal and the shorter one is negative. So negative goes into pin 1 and the longer one goes into the pin 2. Now take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and connect it with the pin 7 and pin 8 of the 555 timer IC. As I have taken a 100 microfarad capacitor, so I'll take a less resistant, which means 10 kilo ohm resistor, where I'll connect it between pins 6 and 7 of the 555 timer IC. Connect all the connections as I have stated here to get best results. Now take a CD4017 IC with the notch, the small gap facing to the left side, just adjacent to the 555 timer IC. Now you will see the placements of this CD4017 IC on the screen. Now connect pin 16 of this 4017 IC to the positive rail. Here connect this pin 16 just adjacent to the connector which connects the pin 8 of the 555 timer IC. You can see over here this blue color wire. Now connect pin 8 of the 555 timer IC to the negative rail. Now place a wire between pin 8 and pin 13 of the 4017 IC and another one between pin 8 and pin 15. Now connect pin 3 of the 555 timer IC to pin 14 of the CD4017 IC. As you are using a battery which is of 9 volts, you can continue with a 470 ohm resistor, but I don't have it, so I am using this 1 kilo ohm resistor which is almost near to 470 ohms. Connect this resistor from the negative rail of this breadboard, that is this blue color line, and continue until where the number of LEDs can fit. So I'm using here 6 LEDs, so I leave here 1 2 3 4 5 6 places and then connect this resistor. As the resistor is connected here, let's go to the next. Use this 1 kilo ohm resistor if your battery contains the voltage between 9 to 15 volts. Now I'll take a red LED and now connect this red LED's positive terminal with the pin 3 of 555 timer IC. Sorry, not 555 timer IC, CD4017 IC. Now connect pin 2 of this 4017 IC to the second LED. Now connect pin 4 to the third LED. Now connect pin 7 to the fourth LED, pin 10 to the fifth LED, pin 1 to the sixth LED. As I have only 6 LEDs, so I have only made connections for only 6 LED connections. Totally 10 LEDs can fit over here. I'll give you all the connections and the places where it is connected. Check it properly so that you can get the best optimization. So one important note, the smaller leg in the LED is the negative terminal and the longer leg is the positive terminal. So connect the positive terminal onto the main breadboard. Last time when I was doing this project, I got a mistake. The LEDs were blinking on its own. It was flickering. It was sometimes not flickering. It was glowing. All LEDs were glowing because I did not connect this capacitor. You can see over here. Here you can take a ceramic capacitor, but I didn't had that, so I'm using this capacitor. This is a 1 kilovolt ceramic capacitor, which is different from other ceramic capacitors which have a round shape. This is of 10 nanofarads. You should connect this onto the breadboard from the pins. Connect this ceramic capacitor with the pin 5 of this 555 timer IC to the positive rail, as this ceramic capacitor has no polarity, so you can connect it with any leg. Now let's connect this with the battery. Now let's connect it with the battery. So now the battery is connected. You can see these lights are glowing. It is properly working now. The speed is little slow, but you can adjust this capacitor so that you can get a good speed. So during this LED circuit, you can see it is taking some delay to reach again to the first red LED, because this circuit supports up to 10 LEDs, but we are using only 6, so it uh, there is incomplete circuit for more 4 LEDs. It is going through that and again returning to the red LED, which is the first one. Always check for this capacitor, which is an electrolytic capacitor, with its terminals, the positive and negative, because if the terminals are kept reverse, then they could cause a blast, because they do store energies and release instantly, mean discharge at high amounts for these types of circuits. So let's observe the circuit in dark. So now the circuit will start. So I have made this project for my school maths project. I'll keep it on the decoration and show you. So this is all the decoration part. Here is the working procedure. Here is the result. Here is the theory, and here is all the stuff. So sometimes while you start this circuit with the help of a battery, it will flicker some connections like two LEDs at once, because it will be synchronizing itself so that it could get to know from where to start. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, like it, share it, and comment in the comment section. Thank you. Here is the components list. I'll give all these components in the description. So I ordered all these components on quartzcomponents.com. It totally took, here you can see, 155, but it actually took some more, which is 214 rupees, including all other charges. It delivered all these products in my address within 4 to 6 days. So thank you guys, thank you.